Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about how to determine a good cryptocurrency, like the factors we analyze before invest your money in a certain cryptocurrency. Now stay with me till to the end of this video. We also recommend you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Hit the subscribe button and also turn the notification bell on, such that whenever we upload a new video like this, you'll be notified that there is a new video you have to watch. Plus signing up with our recommended crypto broker, which is Binance Limited. So all the links are down in the description, and also following us on our social media handles: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. So all the links you would like, they are down in the description. So don't watch this video and don't tend to hit the links in the description, because there is a lot of content you're gonna miss there. So that's what we recommend you guys to do, plus liking this video so many times for it to be appreciated. Now without wasting time, I think let me jump into my notes. Our topic today is how to determine a good cryptocurrency. Now our number one bullet is currency rank. Now when we FX devs, when crypto devs, when we are analyzing the crypto market, we tend to take the rank as the first priority. If you're investing in a currency like Solana, now Solana at the moment is a good and nice currency, but we mostly focused on currency in the top 100 cryptocurrencies. Why do you focus on the top 100 cryptocurrencies? Because these cryptocurrencies, they are the most viewed cryptocurrencies, or most of the investors, they focus on these top 100 cryptocurrencies. That is the number one point. Why? They are the most currencies being invested in money by the investors. Now if you buy a currency which is in the rank of, let me say, 2000 or 1000 or 800, that means that particular currency is being known by a few people, but the majority do not know that currency. Even if they know that currency, you'll find there is there is a few people who are investing money in that currency. But when you invest money in currencies like Solana, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, all these are top cryptocurrencies that are being focused on. Why? There is a lot of volatility in them due to the money being invested by the investors. Now our second point is volume traded in 24 hours. Now volume traded in 24 hours, this is the amount of money being invested in a certain currency per day. When I try to, there is a currency I was been analyzing in the morning. It is called eCash. Now this currency, I was trying to look at the daily volume being invested by investors per day. It was almost $600 million, which is invested in eCash per day. But when you look at the rank of the eCash, which I was trying to tell you, the rank is almost 60. You get it? Now if you mostly focused on cryptocurrencies in the when you focus on the top 100 cryptocurrencies, you'll find all these cryptocurrencies, they invest in a lot of money. So the volume being invested in a certain currency per day also matters when you are choosing to invest in it money. Another point is market capitalization. Now market capitalization, this is the amount of money being invested in the currency ever since it was launched to become public. Now when we mostly focus on the market capitalization, why? We get the circulating coins which are being bought by the people in the community, and we multiply it by the current market price of that particular currency. That's where we get what we call market capitalization. Now market capitalization is the mostly factor you must consider when you are investing money in a certain currency. Why? Because that is the money which was invested in that currency ever since it was created. So take it like a main point. If you're investing in a certain currency, focus on the market capitalization. Another point is exchanges where you can buy this currency. Now we have a lot of exchanges. I was trying to make research on exchanges. I can see we have over 500 cryptocurrency exchanges which you can buy and sell on your coins. But we came up and told you if you are to trade and invest in cryptocurrencies, at the moment Binance is the best and the largest crypto exchange we recommend you to use. Hit the links in the description and sign up with the Binance exchange at the moment. Start your trading journey with Binance. Why? We're experiencing a lot of scams. People who tend to create exchanges, when you post your money, you trade some certain cryptocurrency. After making profit, you'll find you cannot be able to withdraw your money. So our role is to give you the best guys whereby you don't find it difficult like the way we found difficult in this industry. Now our role is to give you the rightful information for you not to take a wrong path and you be straightforward in whatever you're doing. We help you out not to lose your money because you're depositing your money in a certain exchange. And let me say there is a scam exchange called Yobit. When you deposit your money and trade in that certain exchange, you'll not be able to withdraw that money. So that's what I'm trying to explain. So hit the link in the description and sign up with Binance. All the recommended exchanges, all the links are down in the description, and open up your account with these exchanges. Another point is historical data of a currency. Now this factor is also a major factor. The historical data of a currency, that means where did this currency come from? Before you invest in a certain currency, which team is behind this currency? Look at their ecosystem. What are they after? What is their goal? What is their plan? Who created this certain cryptocurrency? Now, you have to look at all these factors we are trying to explain for you to get the best project to invest in your money. Investing money in cryptocurrencies is not just by guesswork. You just wake up in the morning and you say, let me invest money in Dogecoin. What is Dogecoin? Who created Dogecoin? What is the team behind Dogecoin? Which exchanges can I find Dogecoin? So you have to do all that research about a certain currency before you invest in your money. Let me give you a bit example. If you look at Bitcoin, is the global currency being known by most of the people. Bitcoin was created by a man called Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is a global currency whereby you can buy and sell Bitcoin. So that means Bitcoin you can exchange to money. First, secondly, Bitcoin can be its utility. You can buy goods and services. You see, the ecosystem of Bitcoin, it came up with an idea to bring the authority from these centralized authorities back to the community. So I think you can see that the main issue of creating cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is to bring back the authority to the people, whereby people have their own control on their assets or money. So there are certain things you try to see if you are investing in a certain currency. And the last one is origin of the currency. Now the origin of the currency, that means where did this currency originate from? You see, what is the origin of this cryptocurrency? Where, when was it created? Who created it? So you have to make a lot of research about certain cryptocurrencies you're going to invest in your money. Now we have a disclaimer. Whenever you find an ICO, this is an initial coin offering, or a coin that you are looking to invest in, go straight to their website. That's what I was trying to explain to you. I'm going to make a video to show you correctly how you can approach a certain currency or major things we analyze when we are to invest in the market practically. So I'm going to make that video and post it anytime. Go straight to their website and look at the developer or the team page. Make sure that the developers and the team members of the ICO coin have their real name. Follow up them on their Twitter handles. Follow the coin on their chat groups, like be within that particular team or community, and you get daily updates on this certain cryptocurrency. And credentials, picture and credentials, if there is no information, or if the team is anonymous whereby the team is not known, stay clear and stay away from those cryptocurrency. If you have made your research and you find that this currency, like if you got the Twitter handle, I don't get the team behind this cryptocurrency. If I try to buy or sell this certain cryptocurrencies, you find on most exchanges they have delisted it, it's no longer there. When you go to decentralized exchanges, you find if it is working, there's no liquidity. So there are major things you try to watch if you are to invest your money in these certain cryptocurrencies. So thank you guys to stay with for staying with me till to the end of this video. Please, if you're watching this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And also do sign up with our reliable crypto exchanger, which is Binance. Like for today's topic, we told you exchanges where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies also matter if you are trading. So sign up with Binance and start your trading journey. Peace out.